5 Mele Kalikimaka craft projects. First one up, glitter, glue, inks, and sizzix. Our Christmas cards had to be something that everyone could participate in, feel good about the creation, and no judgment, just create. We chose a mixed media paper, of course. And then for cardstock, it's a different brand called Sprit. You actually find that one in Target. Everything else is from Michaels. No affiliate here. I just shop there. Anyway, the other fun things you want to add is totally up to you. We were going with alcohol inks, sharpie, so you can write, like a Mele Kalikimaka message on it. The main thing is the paper. So I chose to kind of outline or draw out a Christmas tree because it's really fun and easy to decorate, and every child can do their own version. No matter how old you are, decorating paper Christmas trees is still fun. Now, this mixed media paper was perfect, the size we got, because it goes great with the cardstock that I chose. And so I love how everything just kind of works together, Okay, so once you're done cutting out your trees, these trees, you can have them kind of for a template, and they can cut more and more as they go along. It was really fun and easy to do and simple. It's so simple. Once you're done, you're going to want to design your tree, and that's why we're using the alcohol inks. Now on one tree, I'm going to use gesso just so you can see how it works with the alcohol inks. The other one will just be straight alcohol ink. Now the thing about the gesso is it kind of gives it this pearlistic look. But what's really fun about that too is if you kind of make it thick, you can create, layers on your tree. And the kids found that out really quickly, and they enjoyed using the gesso a little bit too much. But as you can see, the colors spray on really nicely. I have butcher paper. Always have butcher paper, which is perfect for protecting your table and other surfaces that you don't want to get all messed up. What is cool about this project is it's okay to make it messy. Who doesn't love glitter? I mean, okay, maybe there are people who don't love glitter, and I will pray for you. But glitter is just fun. It doesn't have to do anything. It just lays there and it makes you happy. And the kids really enjoyed this project. I have teenagers. I have, young elementary age children. So this is something that anyone can do. So we wanted to embellish a little, and I showed my little one how to use the sizzix machine, and he had so much fun using it and lining it up. Ta-da! This is what the final project looked like, and it fit perfectly in the envelope. We glued the trees onto the cardstock, and the kids wrote their personalized message on every card. Number 2, stocking and stuffers. So the story behind these stockings is a co-worker of mine wanted us all to make stockings in the different colors of the medicine wheel. And so I did one, and then I kind of got a little hooked and made more, at least 3. There it is.
Oh man, this is really dry.
Stockings, stockings. Stockings, stockings.
Sorry, everybody.
I really like this one.
What do they call that kind of?
Number 3, self-care and beauty. Now this is kind of where I'm more comfortable in making gifts and crafts. I've been doing this self-care beauty type of products for a long time, but this time I wanted to kind of package it different. So I got these stickers that were actually made for planners, because I saw that you could kind of write what you're making, and I used it to embellish all 3 of these items. And I wanted to make sure that they kind of match, so I made 3 sets of these with the organic sugar scrub, the rhassoul clay, and then an almond oil, sweet almond oil, which is perfect. I did a smaller organic sugar scrub with a tiny vial of sweet almond oil and some chocolates, more like a stocking stuffer. Was to have variations in my gift giving, and I had the larger set And then I also wanted to make a smaller set. So this is number 4, which is basically the same thing but in a mini size. Now, if you would like to make the sugar scrub, it's simple. I just use an organic Castile soap. I use Dr. Bronner's, and then I used a sugar. I happen to use a raw sugar, organic raw sugar. It doesn't have to be, you don't need that. You're just washing it and scrubbing it off, kind of a thing. And then I added just a drop of almond oil, sweet almond oil, into the sugar scrub. The goal with the sugar scrub or making one is you want it to be sugary and just enough soap. You don't want to soak it so that it's too liquidy, just enough. You can kind of see by the consistency of the texture of what it feels like. To wrap it all up, the final part, cards and chocolate, number 5. This is the easiest part. It's just packaging what we created, and we used washi tape to kind of hold the chocolate piece down so it's not sliding all over the place. It turned out really great, and especially with that extra little sticker, that all the embellishments, it says love and joy, and it says season's greetings all over it. And then I did another variation, which is basically the envelope but without the Sizzix die cut through it. In fact, it's just closed, so they don't know what's in it. It's kind of like a mystery envelope, and we stuffed it with chocolate, made sure to put the Mele Kalikimaka on it. And all of this I got to share with some of my co-workers. We were doing a crafty gift exchange, and let's see if you can pick out the items that I made. After all is said and done, I hope that you are inspired by this video, and I hope that you and your ohana will have a blessed coming year. And don't forget to check us out on our website or social media pages. Love to see you there.